Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Thrill Climbers Car Culture set. I want to give a huge shout out to my local buddy, Crash Money, for helping me get this set. I also want to give a huge shout out to SoCal164 Collector for the heads up on this set. I also ended up finding these at Target, so you can check there too. You can also order these from One Stop Diecast. So the cars in the set are the Audi Sport Quattro. And on the back of the card, it shows all the cars, and it says Thrill Climbers. The Porsche 934.5. The Ford RS 200. The Lancia 037. And the Volkswagen IDR. So the first car is the Audi Sport Quattro. So this car has a yellow base, it's metal, and you have the white star rims. It says Audi, then 1, Quattro, then Michelin, Audi Sport, then Audi right here, some brown, gray, and red stripes. This is really cool because of all the detailing on it. And it says Audi Quattro on the back. They also made this as a Super this year in a 2020 H case. This is the first time we have seen this car as a premium, and it looks pretty cool. The real rally car is insane and races in Group B. Just listen to the sounds of the engine from this rally car. So next up is the Porsche 934.5. This car has white base. Of course, it's metal. All of these cars have metal bases. Then the white rims, so 77, and 77 right here with red and yellow. Then Porsche in red and yellow. They also made this as a Super in 2018 as a really, really nice blue color. Same wheels, but this blue color and Spectraflame is really nice. Junamai and Ryu Sada designed this really nice car, and it has been made a couple times. The real-life car is actually a hybrid of a 934 and 935. It was built in 1977 and completed in IMSA in Group 4. So the next car is the Ford RS 200. So this car has really nice star rims that are gold, then there's black, blue, and then a lighter blue stripe. And then it says Ford and Pirelli. Then some blue right here, and Ford right here on the front, and the backlights. This is another new casting that was designed by Mark Jones. The real car raced in Group B of the Rally Series. So now we have the Lancia 037. So notice this, on the card it says Lanica Racing, when it should say Lancia. So Hot Wheels made a mistake on the card. Hey. So this car is white, then the gray rims, bunch of tampos, then a red and gray stripe. And this says Lancia Racing, but for some reason on the card it says Lanica. This is a new casting, and I'm sure we will see this a lot more in car culture and maybe in mainline. This car races in Group B of the Rally Series. The number on the car is 037 because of the name of the project from Lancia when they designed it. Eventually they decided to call the car 037. These Group B rally cars eventually got the nickname the Killer Bees because of the accidents that happened to the drivers and spectators. The cars just produced too much power and were eventually banned. So the last car is the Volkswagen IDR. this car has the Volkswagen logo right here. And it says 94. And this looks really cool in my opinion with the huge wing. And then the front it says R. The very nice wheels that go really well in this. It says 94 again. This is also a new casting and I hope to see this again as a premium. The real car is actually called the IDR Pikes Peak. It is the first fully electric racing car that Volkswagen has made. My favorite car from this set is the Porsche. This is a really nice car. And to have all these tampos over it and the stripes makes it look even better. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me your favorite cars out of this 2020 Car Culture Thrill Climbers set.